Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German Grammar. In this video, you will learn the difference between the verbs lernen and studieren. You can visit our page on patreon.com to get free worksheets, transcripts, early access to our videos and more. So let's begin. Lernen oder studieren. Let's first look at a few examples. Wie lange lernst du Deutsch? Ich studiere an der Universität Hamburg. Hier ist das erste Verb. Lernen. Lernte, hat gelernt. Lernen is a regular verb. It is used when you're talking about gathering some knowledge or acquiring skills at home, at work, etc. For example, Markus lernt Spanisch. In the same way, you would say, ich lerne Deutsch, not ich studiere Deutsch. A lot of students get confused and might use studieren in this context because they translate it from English. Lernen is used when you're studying something individually or in a group or with a tutor. Here are some other examples with lernen. Man kann nie genug lernen. Mein Kind lernt schwimmen. In English, you would study for an exam. In German, you would use the verb lernen. Ich muss noch für die Prüfung lernen. Man kann auch einen Beruf lernen. Er hat Bäcker gelernt. The next verb is studieren. Studierte, hat studiert. Studieren is used when you gather knowledge at a university as a graduate or as an undergraduate. Sabine studiert seit 4 Semestern Soziologie in Wien. Here's another example. Ich habe Medizin studiert. So, studieren is used when you are studying at the university. That means, if you say, ich studiere Deutsch, that means you have German as a subject at the university. If you're learning German, then you would just say, ich lerne Deutsch. Studieren has another meaning too. When you're scrutinizing something or examining something in detail. For example, sie studierte lange die Speisekarte, bestellte dann aber nur eine Cola. Here's another example. Sie studieren gerade die Akten. Now let's do a short exercise. Übung. Fill in the blanks with lernen oder studieren. Here's the first one. And the answer is, man lernt jeden Tag etwas Neues. The next one is, the answer is, er ist Lehrling und muss noch 2 Jahre lernen. We use lernen here because we are talking about learning a profession. And the last sentence is, and your answer should be, sie studiert im 3. Semester. If you want to practice some more, you can download a free worksheet from our page on patreon.com. You can also gain access to our transcripts by becoming a $1 patron. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!